Hey, what's up? I hope everything is going well for you and your family. So let's take a brief look at the Redmi K50 gaming phone today. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. On February 16, 2022, the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition phone was released. So this is the Redmi K50 Game Edition. Before we get to the unboxing videos, we'd like to take a look back at the time when this company launched a poster that caused a sensation among computer enthusiasts. The launching of the Redmi K50 series has been confirmed at that time, and the company confirmed via its Weibo account that a launching event for the Redmi K50 range will take place on February 16th at 7 p.m. local time. They kept their promise. However, the firm has launched a poster that shows off one of the Redmi K50 line's smartphones for the first time. The teased gadget is most likely to be released as the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition. A triple camera unit is visible on the back of the smartphone displayed in the poster. RGB lighting system appears to be included in the camera module. The gadget also has mechanical trigger buttons, implying that it would be primarily utilized for gaming. It might be the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition, which will replace the Redmi K40 Gaming Edition from last year based on the general look. Now, it's time to unveil the K50, so take a deep breath and watch the video in its entirety. The packaging conveys a sense of gaming while also conveying a sense of sophisticated technology. On the other side, we have the Sound by JBL and Dolby Atmos marks, yet on the other, we have the Flash logo on the box. When we open the box, we discover an insert with a pin, a handbook, and a soft silicone case, nothing too special. Then, there's a Type-C cable and a lightning-fast 120-watt charging adapter. It's massive. Now, we are moving to the phone. So, we have a variety of colors here. Please let us know the color of the K50 you like. Okay, we've got the ideal color, silver, incredibly lovely blue, black, and the Mercedes-AMG F1 version. Isn't that cool? On the F1 edition, you can see that it has a carbon fiber finish and a Mercedes-Benz logo on the back, but other than that, it's pretty much the same. And you'll spend around $50 more for it than you would for a standard model with the same specs. And as long as you can get it, I believe it's well worth the investment. A 6.67-inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels is included with the phone. An octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU powers the Xiaomi Redmi K50 Gaming Edition. 8 GB of RAM is included. A 4,700 mAh non-removable battery powers the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition, which runs Android 12. The Redmi K50 Gaming Edition is compatible with Xiaomi's proprietary fast charging technology. It also features an FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. You may pick between 60 and 120Hz as shown by the refresh rate, but this isn't the LTPO concern. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protects the panel, which produces 10-bit colors. The cooling system appears to have a lot of visual appeals. To keep the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and the rest of the components in check, Xiaomi used dual graphite sheets, stainless steel, and mesh materials, according to Xiaomi. The heat dissipation area of the vapor chamber is 4,860 millimeters squared, which they claim is the greatest to date. But I'm not sure whether they're boasting, because they previously said that the predecessor had a great cooling system. Others include a 20-megapixel Sony IMX596 front-facing camera, a 64-megapixel Sony IMX686 primary camera, an MP ultra-wide snapper, and a 2-megapixel macro camera in the rear. Here are some random photo examples that appear to be fairly mediocre. The rear camera configuration has autofocus. It includes a single front-facing camera arrangement with a 20-megapixel sensor for selfies. We mentioned battery capacity before. If you didn't notice, this section is for you. The battery has the capacity of 4,700 milliamp hour and can be completely charged in about 17 minutes. Amazing! The Redmi K50 Gaming Edition runs MIUI 13 and has 128 gigabytes of internal storage. The Redmi K50 Gaming Edition has a dual SIM card slot. The dimensions of this sensational gaming edition are 162.50 by 76.70 by 8.50 millimeters, height by breadth by thickness, and it weighs 210.00 grams. Wi-Fi 802.11 A, B, G, N, AC, AX. Bluetooth V5.20, NFC, infrared, and USB Type-C are all connectivity choices for the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition. The phone sensors include an accelerometer, an ambient light sensor, a gyroscope, a proximity sensor, and an in-display fingerprint reader. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.